Alright fam, welcome again. Well, welcome back, that is. Right. Thanks for joining me again guys. Thanks for joining me on a journey here. So I won't ask you guys to like, share, subscribe this time around. You guys know exactly what to do, I guess. By now. You should. So I don't think this one is going to seem as natural as it should. Reason being, I recorded this already. I did a review, a reaction to this already. But the damn camera did out of focus. Something I have to go back over it. Right? I was so damn pissed. I'm pissed. But, so you go. Zane said this is a Young Boss remix, Black Hero, Wayne J, and Skilly Bang. Right? The song shot. Right? So may I see what I'm going. Me know say shot already, I listen to it already. I'm so pissed. But anyways, I review that right now. Let's see what I'm going. Yeah, so
Yes, sir. Bang, 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 bang.
okay.
Hey, hey, hey. I try them candy young boss. Nation. Young boss. Young boss. Young boss. Is that the young boss that in here now? Give me way, make me burn up every stage show. We make it place, if it turn up every radio. We in GS, if we go check your ratio.
Me rate the youth, me rate Skilly Bang differently. Right? Most artists when they enter the industry, them copy somebody or them find a style from someone and utilize it and try to make it their own, right? Which nothing wrong with that still. But Skilly Bang deal with things differently. The man just enter the industry with theme vibe, theme flow, theme voice, and say, here I go on, see me here. Right? If you don't like it, you don't like it. Right? And everybody can gravitate to it, everybody likes it. Well, not everybody still, but me like it. Right? And the thing is that what has happened is that anywhere you hear Skilly Bang, you know, so you're definitely Skilly Bang that. You understand? I want to feel the young artist the same way, you understand? So I rate that, happy rate that, yo, happy rate that.
Black hero, now we a cane row. I listen, I see, I make a name go up. Move, no ramp with no paper. That kind of danger. I'm a young G, young boss. New millennium, new money. Can I run me down, touchdown, class for the ground. We are running ground. I'm a young G, young boss. New millennium, new money run. Can I run me down, touchdown, class for the ground. We are running ground, so turn it, young.
Next thing I touch upon are the chorus. Right? The chorus shell. The chorus just catchy. Right? Our chorus will go ring in the head. The other day I walk and you walk through the house and you find yourself. He said, Jesus Christ, that damn Sunday again. Right? That'll happen with this. Me, I see that'll happen. Right? The chorus bad and Wayne J, they can't sing. They can't sing. Indifferent, he can't sing. Right? A long time we don't see a number of youths and gangsters that step on a beat and I put out a song where everybody can appreciate. No matter which walk of life you come from, no matter if you're a chopper, scammer, if you're no matter what you do, you see me? If you work hard, if you're a farmer, you just enjoy it. You understand? This bad. That's how I understand. We are waiting for the lyrical aspect of things now. Let's see what's going on.
Latest time, my brain is quite severe. It's like the place igniting time. Hear my voice, I'm not prepared for nice.
Sorry to stop it a while ago. The man says like every time you take the mic, the place ignite, the place catch a fire. See, because every time when you hear him voice, when you prepare for night, because the man thing upload. The man thing upload. Baby, no waste my time.
Give me way, make me burn up every stage show. We make it place, if it turn up every radio.
chorus.
All them a try, them can't deny. Don't cross the line, you pay the price. No, we take flight and mama nice. Family alright. I'm a young G, young boss. New millennium, no money run. Can't run me down, down. Touchdown, class funny gun. Oh, we are really grown. Oh, I'm a young G, young boss.
Yes. I had to tell these guys, thank you. I have to tell you, thank you for this lovely view right here. So, but we'll take it back a second. They can sing. The vocals panic wicked. The vocals wicked. The vocals are awesome. This is awesome too. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for putting her in the video. You did a good job. I messed this down. This is a crusher. I can't. Not try. Alright, I'm not gonna try to look through people. Sorry. I love those lines just now. I love them lines there. See, no man say you permit in a hand, you know. Right? You don't have any clock anyway, see, man, the permit in a hand. You see me, I don't know how I ride the bike with the permit in a hand, but him say, oh, you might always have a $1,000,000 bike shot still. I don't know who would do that, you know, for the blow up, brother. Right? But the one that stick out to me, or when the man say, yo, him roll heavy like when Jesus carried cross. Do you guys have any idea how heavy that shit was? Well, me don't know either, but the sound, that was heavy. Remember the cross was the weight of the world, you know? So the man roll heavy, yo. Tell me if that no bad. Tell me if that no bad. You can sing. I'm a young G, young boss. Young boss. No money run. Can't run me down. Yes, touchdown. Class funny gun. Oh, we are really grown. I'm a young G, young boss. Young boss. New millennium. No money run. Can't run me down. Touchdown. Class funny gun. Oh, we are really grown. So 20. Hey, yo, Bob. Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Struggle for the growth. All them a try, them can't deny. You tough right. We just catch them by surprise. Whoa. Yes, sir. Yo. I'm starting right so. Fam, team, you know exactly what going on. That song you share. Me love it. The hook, the chorus catchy, the verses in it have weight. Them have weight. And the most lyrical content we have heard thus far. But come on. Them do it. Don't. Everybody in the video look like them have fun. It's not, you know, they look like a act them have. Them actually look like them enjoy themselves. For real. Right? Skilly. Right? Mr. say you're par with enough new artists. Right? And it's like, yeah, try expose enough new artists, brother. Keep on the work, brother. You start from early, keep it up, brother. Because of this the industry need. You understand? For me know exactly what to do already. Like, share, Jesus Christ, I wouldn't tell them to do that, you know. When we don't start already, but yeah, you know exactly which part I'm gonna go, right? Leave a comment, please. Let me know exactly what you want to see me review. Jakes, may I work on the NF. It's the Janon, but guys, outside.